Hi. So today we are going to discuss about the direction of the solar panel, that how it should be installed on our rooftop or on our house, in our farm, or wherever we want to generate the power. So installation of the solar plates is very important, especially we are staying in India. So we should know that how our sun moves in all the seasons and what is the best uh, position to install the solar panel so that it can get the maximum sun rays during all the season, so at least we can harness the highest energy of sun power and we can reduce our electricity bill if we have done a net metering with the electricity board company, or if we have used the solar panel just for our internal purpose to run our household lightings, fans and parking lights, solar pumps, etc., then we can use it for our own. But as far as the installation is concerned, it is very much important. So we will discuss on the drawing that what are the layout of the solar panel, what the minimum space is required, and how to decide that what is the capacity you require. For that we should know what is a household consumption or how much energy we want to generate in a day. Based on that we can decide how much kilowatt of solar panel is required, and once kilowatt is confirmed we can decide how much space is required. So these are all interrelated. So let us first understand that how to install the solar panel in the any open area, whether it is a roof or whether it is a normal ground. So here you can see that in this video we can see that sun is shown here. Let me just zoom it, that what we can see that sun is here. So in any direction, normally how the sun moves from east to west, this is our direction called east, whereas this is a west. So if I stand, if my eyes are facing the sun, that means the east direction, then always my backside is west, my left hand side is north, which is this one, and my right hand side is a south direction. This is possible when I'm facing, my eyes are facing to the sun. Now sun rises in the east and sun goes to the west like this. Okay, so if we see that in any day our sun is always moving from east to west through the south direction. Okay, so if anything is facing on the south side, it will get the maximum sunlight entire day. Like what will happen in the morning, sunrise will go like this. Okay, it is a long distance race, then sun will reach here. Okay, then sun is directly throwing the sunlight on the panel. When sun is on the evening, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, like this, that time also the again the size of the rays inclination will increase, and at the evening time it will be like that. So always in the early in the morning when the sun sign starts, maybe 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, depends on the season, and in the evening when sun is setting down, that time we are going to get light at the very minimal way because it is always an incline. But during this period to this period our sunlight is a maximum. So that's why we have to install our, this is our solar panel. So if we just see that this is the our solar panel, so this solar panel should face this south direction. So always this south direction should be always open. There should be no trees like this which can create a shadow on this panel. Okay, so that's why south direction should always open because sun moves from east to west towards south. So if we want to install a solar panel on our roof, on our terrace, okay, we need to examine that our south should be always open. it should not cast any type of shadow. If minor shadow is there for some time, that is okay, but during the time between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., this is a peak time when sunrise goes on the solar panels in a perpendicular way, so maximum sunlight is falling on the solar plate. That time it should not create any shadow, so that we can get a maximum solar generation. So now we learned that how the solar panel or solar plates has to be installed on any roof or on the ground. So now let us find out, I will show you one picture in which solar plates are installed. So let us find out that what is the direction the solar plates are facing. Once you understand that what is the exact the direction is, then it will be very easy, and with this technique you can install any solar panel in your own farmhouse, in your house, in your terrace, wherever you wish to. So let us just I will take you to the one picture here. Okay, so in this picture, if you see that these plates are facing like this, let me just more zoom it. Okay, so you see that this is the plates. Okay, and these plates are facing like this. Okay, and when the sunlight will come, sunlight will directly fall here. If sunlight will come, sunlight will directly fall here, right? So this is how it is. So if we want to understand that what is the direction of this solar panel, so solar panel or plates are always facing a south direction, that we already understood. So always a south could be, this is a south, right? Because sun is always going from east to west facing south. So this is a south, that's why we have installed solar panels. So entire day it will get the solar energy from the sun like this. So that means sun is going from east to west. This is south. Okay, this is S, this is south. So this is opposite is north. So when I am facing the sun, when my eyes are facing the sun, that time my left hand side is always a north. So if I am standing here, if my eyes are facing on this direction, that means that time my left is north. So this is always a east. This is a east and this is a west. So with this we can see that this is east direction, this is a west direction, and this is a north, and this is south. So this is the main direction, because our panel should not face the opposite way. It should not face like this. It should face like this. So whatever the sunlight is coming, sunlight is falling entire day. Sun will pass from here to this, to this, to this, to this west. So in entire day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. it will give us some amount of energy throughout the day, and so that panel can harvest the maximum. So this is how we should understand that solar plates facing the south direction, and that's why there should be no any obstruction. If let's say if this building what we are seeing here, if this building is in the south direction, for example, let's say if this is a south, then our panel should face this building. That time what will happen, whenever the sun will pass, let's say this is south, so this is north. If this is north, then this is east. If this is east, then this is a west. So if this is a condition, then sun will go from east to west through south, so it will go with this. So whenever sun is here, at that time this building will obstruct some amount of shadow. So that's why we need to ensure that whenever we are installing our solar panel, that time it should always face a south direction, and as much as possible there should be no any obstruction or any shadow or any tree or any building very nearby, so that our generation can get hampered. So I think now it is very pretty clear that what is the direction we have to select for installation of our solar panel.